Before we proceed, let's start first with an important disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor. The information presented in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. No information presented here should be taken as financial, investment, or trading advice. Always do your own research before making any financial decisions, and never invest money you cannot afford to lose. The cryptocurrency market is highly volatile and carries significant risks. I am not responsible for any losses incurred as a result of action taken based off of this content. In the world of crypto, timing is everything. One tweet can move markets. One video can launch a token into the stratosphere. But with thousands of projects fighting for attention, how do you make sure yours gets noticed? Welcome to YouTubeCalls.com, the most powerful crypto influencer marketing platform on the web. You've built something incredible, a game-changing token, a visionary blockchain solution. But without the right exposure, it's just another name in the crowd. Additional ads don't cut it. Bots don't build trust. You need real voices, real reach, real results. That's where we come in. YouTube Calls connects your project with the most trusted and influential creators in the crypto space. We offer video promotions with verified crypto influencers, Twitter shoutouts that spark real engagement, Telegram call channels that drive community buzz, and AMA sessions with respected thought leaders, and press releases and listings on top platforms like CoinMarketCap, CoinStats, and Binance. Every campaign is tailored, every creator is handpicked, every result is measurable. We're not just another influencer directory. We're a curated network of creators who know crypto and know how to sell it. Our videos are shot in Ultra HD 4K using professional grade equipment. We guarantee exposure. Your campaign will be seen, not buried. And we make payments easy and secure with flexible crypto options. With over 1 million followers across our network, your message reaches the right people. Fast. Work with creators like Crypto Hassi, which has 1 million subscribers, Professor Hassan, which has 2.1 million followers, and Crypto Natasha, which has 360,000 subscribers. These aren't just numbers, they are influence. They've helped tokens, build communities, and drive millions in investment. Now, they're here to help you. So, if you're ready to take your crypto project to the next level, if you're tired of shouting into the void, if you want real traction, real trust, and real growth, visit YouTubeCalls.com today. Set up your campaign, choose your creators, and let the world hear your story. This is YouTubeCalls.com, where crypto meets credibility.